Real-world applications of CTFL knowledge. One of the key benefits of obtaining a CTFL certification is the ability to apply theoretical software testing concepts to real-world scenarios. CTFL in industry. CTFL certified professionals are highly sought after in the software industry for their ability to apply testing best practices in a variety of settings. From small startups to large corporations, CTFL expertise is invaluable in ensuring that software projects are delivered on time and within budget. Using CTFL professionally. Employers value the practical knowledge and hands-on experience that CTFL certified individuals bring to the table, making them valuable assets to any organization. CTFL expertise in real life. The expertise gained through CTFL certification allows professionals to tackle complex testing challenges with confidence. By staying up to date on the latest industry trends and best practices, CTFL certified individuals can make informed decisions that contribute to project success. CTFL hands-on experience. By participating in practical training sessions and working on real-life testing scenarios, professionals can build their confidence and expertise in the field of software testing. CTFL in the workplace. Having CTFL certified testers in the workplace can lead to more efficient and effective testing processes, resulting in higher quality software products. By following established testing methodologies and best practices, teams can work together cohesively to achieve project goals. Conclusion. In conclusion, by leveraging CTFL skills and expertise in real-life projects, professionals can excel in their careers and contribute to the success of software development initiatives.